Okay, guys, welcome back. Long time no see you. I will, as usual, I want to unbox. This is the video about unboxing. Okay, so this is I bought Korean skincare product from Missha, and I bought the toner, the fifth generations that was so popular. It's like dupe of SK2, dupe of SK2. So yeah, let's just open it because if I don't have any unboxing video, I cannot claim if inside broken or not. Okay, so the come packaging like this already like done all over the carton, and then just sorry for the noises, yeah, and then just open it, open, and then ta-da, I bought a toner. Well, actually, this is Missha. Uh, I bought the 50 milli, so it comes into two bottles. Okay, two bottles. So like this. Taram, 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 taram. So this one, the expired date still 2 years late. Yeah, like today it's 2022, 2023, sorry. And then this is 2025, so still a long. So like this, yeah, comes the packaging. I don't know if you see, this is like mirroring, this is time revolution, the first essence, and then fifth. Okay, fifth, and then this is 97% extreme ferment Missha, and the brand is here. Okay, the brand is here, and also this is they are Indonesian, like how to use it. Okay, like okay, so Missha time revolution, the first essence. This is not toner, I forgot, this is essence. Sorry guys, this is essence. It's not toner but essence. So 50 milli, so it's 100 milli, so becomes into two bottles. Okay, let's just start to open it. I want to open it, just just want to see. I always I always love the smell of the new packaging, and like of the new from like fresh from oven. Okay, so the bottle, it comes from plastic, but it's really like this. Ooh, you can shake it. The bottle, it comes like this. Missha essence, this is essence, guys. I'm sorry, that was my mistake. This is essence, not toner. Missha essence, time revolution, the first essence, fifth generations, Missha. So this one, like this, and like I believe that you just open it. I will not use it now, but that's the bottle like this. It's very small bottle. It's really good for traveling. It's really good for traveling. I really bought this. Is very good for traveling. And then open the. It's just the same. I always love this. The smell of the new one. So this is Misha. This is the 50 milli. I hope you can see. Yeah, it's sorry. Yeah. So it's very clear. Actually, it's like it's very clear. The water is very clear. It's very clear, like clear water. So yeah, this is Misha. Misha. So thank you guys. This is Misha. Yeah, comes in two bottles, 50 milli. I hope. I hope it will. I mean, help you. Okay. So this one. Kecil botolnya, is very small. It's really good for traveling. I bought it in online, yeah, but the original Shopee Mall. always buy in a shopping mall. I don't buy any other like stores, online stores, but I bought this in Misha, Misha official shopping mall. So you can check. This is the packaging. Pengirim Misha Indonesia official store. So yeah, because I don't want the product will fake or something that was very dangerous. So I always buy it. This one I bought it in official online store. Misha Indonesia official store. Thank you. Bye. Bye guys. Thank you very much.